In this video, I will be reviewing the VOX Lil Night Train, possibly the best 2-watt tube amplifier for home use. I will show you what the Little Night Train has on offer, starting off with that classic clean tone. For the whole demo, the guitar I will be using is a Chapman ML3 Modern. To start this demo off, I will be on the neck pickup playing lead and rhythm. Despite only being 2 watts, the VOX is more than capable of producing an excellent clean tone at a level that is perfect for the bedroom. As the amp sounds great at lower volume, it is perfect for being used at home. Not forgetting to mention the size of the head and cabinet make it so easy to fit into any small bedroom or living area. I shall now move on to the bridge pickup so that you can get to hear the Little Night Train do a crunch tone. I've slightly changed the EQ on the amp, but I have left the gain and volume the same. The VOX Lil Nitrane reacts differently depending on your playing style. As you've just heard, I started playing with my fingers, then moved on to a pick. The result being that the harder the string is hit, the more broken up the amp became, because the amp is tube, and so the tubes react differently depending on how hard the strings are hit. This is something you don't get with the digital amp. For this next part of the demo, I will switch on over to the thick voice, which is the higher gain setting on the amp. When on the thick voice, the EQ section of the amplifier is bypassed, so therefore this head goes from a familiar chimey Vox tone to a full rock tone. This second gain stage definitely delivers. The boost that the amp gets is incredible, as the gain truly pushes for a thick tone. With the amp only being 2 watts, that tone is very impressive. The VOX Lil Nitrane is the ideal tube amplifier for home use, as it can give you amazing tone at a neighbour-friendly volume. The VOX provides you with a vintage tone and lots of headroom. I would have to recommend using a reverb or a delay pedal with this amp, so that you can make the most of the clean tone. Also, when on the thick mode, the amp sounds muddy if the gain is positioned at 8 o'clock, so just take care to find a level that suits you. Overall, the amp is killer sounding and is a steal at that price.